Welcome back. This is script 2 of 6 in our series on Colossian. Today we're covering the ancient city of Colossae, history and archaeological discoveries. Hey there, history enthusiasts and accidental clickers alike. Today we're diving into Colossae, an ancient city that somehow managed to stay more underground than your neighbor's secret bunker. And I mean that literally, because unlike its flashier neighbors Laodicea and Hierapolis, Colossae hasn't been fully excavated yet. Located in what's now southwestern Turkey, Colossae was once a booming metropolis in the Lycus River Valley. Think of it as the ancient equivalent of that town that was super popular in the 70s, but now everyone's like, oh yeah, that place. It had its heyday during the 5th to 4th centuries BCE when it was a major trading post. The city sat right on the major trade route from Ephesus to the Euphrates, which is like being located on the ancient world's version of Interstate 95, prime real estate, baby. Colossae was known for its wool industry, particularly for a unique purple dyed wool called colossinus. Yes, they named their signature color after themselves. Talk about ancient branding. It would be like if I started selling presenter blue sweaters. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Now, here's where things get a bit, well, shaky. In 61 CE, Colossae was hit by a massive earthquake. And unlike your friend who says they'll rebuild their Lego masterpiece after it falls, Colossae never quite recovered its former glory. It's like the city hit the snooze button on rebuilding and then accidentally slept through the alarm. What makes Colossae particularly interesting to many scholars is its connection to early Christianity. The Apostle Paul wrote his letter to the Colossians, yes, that one in the Bible, addressing this community. Though, interestingly, Paul never actually visited the city himself. It's like getting a strongly worded email from a manager who works remotely. They've never seen your desk, but they've got opinions on how you should organize it. Now, for the archaeological tea, and it's a bit lukewarm, I'm afraid. Unlike its neighbors who've been thoroughly excavated, Colossae is still largely waiting underneath a hill called Honektip. Archaeologists have found some surface artifacts, including pottery, coins, and architectural fragments that confirm, yep, this is definitely Colossae. But the major excavation work is still pending. It's like having a wrapped present that everyone knows is there, but nobody's opened it yet. Some surveys of the site have revealed traces of a theater, a necropolis, and what appears to be the ancient city walls. In 2015, a team started more systematic work at the site, and they've been finding evidence of occupation spanning from the Bronze Age through Byzantine times. That's like finding out your new house was built on top of a diner, which was built on top of a general store, which was built on top of, you get the idea. One fascinating aspect of Colossae is the nearby Lycus River, which had a unique characteristic. It would disappear underground and then resurface. The locals probably thought this was either divine magic or really excellent plumbing. The calcium deposits from this river created beautiful travertine terraces similar to the famous ones at nearby Pamukale. It's like Mother Nature's version of a fancy tiered fountain. The city was also home to a mixture of ethnic groups, including native Phrygians, Greeks, and Jews, making it a multicultural hub long before fusion cuisine was trendy. This diversity likely contributed to the religious syncretism that Paul was so concerned about in his letter. Ancient people mixing religious practices? Scandalous. So why hasn't Colossae been fully excavated yet? Funding, priorities, and probably because archaeologists are like kids in a candy store when it comes to Turkey. So many ancient sites, so little time. But each year brings new discoveries, and who knows what secrets still lie beneath that unassuming hill. This was script 2 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching, and keep growing that brain.